We enjoyed a lot of sunshine on Monday. Yet another example of a beautiful looking day, but a day that was hard to deal with sub-zero high temperatures once again. That was 5 days in a row, the 5th consecutive day with a sub-zero high temperature. His time lapse from yesterday, our Lewiston auto camera from Assisi Heights. Great to see the sun, the blue sky overhead, handful of cirrus clouds. And then another night sub-zero, and we've had many of those as well. Yesterday we had a record morning low of 23 degrees to start the day. Today we start a little bit warmer. We're going to be hovering near 20 below, though, to start the day in much of the area over the next few hours as we look now northward. Live from our Lewiston auto camera in downtown Rochester. 14 below the current temperature here in the weather patio. The winds out of the north pretty light, but still when it gets this cold, that wind a little more noticeable, I think. At 26 below the current wind chill, air pressure is falling, 30.33 inches of mercury. Temperatures across the map, sub-zero everywhere you look by double digits for the most part. Rochester at the airport, 18 below right now. Not quite the 23 below we had yesterday, and that's a good thing. We're seeing some signs of improvement. We'll really notice those changes coming up later today when, for the first time in almost a week, we get above zero, and that's something we can build on in the coming days. 18 below in Mason City. Albert Lea now 17 below zero. Same in Austin. 18 below again in the Med City right now at the airport. Northwest winds 8 miles per hour. It feels like 36 below zero. So those wind chill indices are rivaling some of the numbers we saw yesterday. Over the past several days, again, we've had negative numbers for high temperatures and low temperatures. Here are the 5 days, and 3 of those were records for those particular dates. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the coldest high temperatures on record for those days. Yesterday, we exceeded that record by a few degrees. We're grateful for that. Don't need any more records, especially after we had a record low temperature yesterday morning. Until 10 o'clock today, this morning, we have a wind chill advisory. Southern Minnesota, big chunk of northeast Iowa, most of Wisconsin in that. Wind chill levels around 30 below to start the day. They'll improve after 10 a.m. Parts of North Iowa and a wind chill warning, perhaps getting close to 40 below for a time until 10 o'clock this morning. Skies are clear and bright. We're going to have a day filled with high pressure sunshine, similar to the weather we've had recently. But as that high drifts on to the east, we'll start seeing some warmer air begin to build in behind it. That will help us finally get above zero for the first time since last Wednesday evening. 18 below over now officially in Rochester. Up north, still in that same range they've been in for several days now. International Falls again colder than 30 below zero to start the day. It's 34 below right now at this hour. Fargo 19 below zero, and Lincoln, Nebraska 26 below, but 6 above in Green Bay. Cold sunshine today, some light snow tomorrow with temperatures still building. We're looking at teens for highs tomorrow. By the time we get to the weekend, seasonable, in other words, 20s, which is a little more typical for this time of the year. 19 below for that morning commute. In the meantime, cold sunshine the rule, but nearly calm winds all day long. So we start off around 20 below zero for the next couple of hours. We then climbed around zero around lunchtime, reaching 5 degrees by 3 o'clock. Overall high of 6 degrees this afternoon, and then staying just a handful of degrees below zero tonight. In fact, after midnight, temperatures will begin to climb as we get back to the teens by tomorrow afternoon. Wind chill levels really cold at first, but almost zero today by afternoon, as again, the winds will be practically completely calm. And that's certainly a blessing when it's this cold. But high pressure dominates the weather picture today, slowly gliding onto the east. Some slightly warmer air begins to build in. Single digits today. Tonight, staying just a handful of degrees below zero, the clouds slowly gathering. And then we start seeing some energy coming in for the west. A little disturbance brings a chance of light snow, especially tomorrow afternoon. But generally speaking, less than an inch. And we'll see a gradual clearing behind that with flurries still in some spots on Thursday, but less than an inch of accumulation tomorrow in our forecast outlook for across the area for our Wednesday. Another dose of light snow possible Sunday, as more of that warmth comes in, accompanying that weekend storm system. By then, we're talking highs around 30, which seems almost unthinkable given what we've endured the last couple of weeks. But 6 today in Rochester, 4 above zero in Mason City, and 11 in Red Wing with sunny skies. Wind chill values around 30 below to start the day, but close to zero by afternoon with a very light north wind. Tonight, 7 below zero, partly cloudy. And then the 7-day forecast looking at teens for highs over the next couple of days, and then 20s over the weekend. A little snow possible, maybe minor coating of accumulation, I think, on Sunday.
Good to see the sun again today.
The sun looks beautiful.
Thank you.